Welcome. If you're using Discord on your browser and want to make sure you never miss a moment when someone unmutes their mic, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the quick and easy steps to enable notification sounds for unmute events on Discord web, right from your PC. This guide covers the latest update, so you'll be set up in just a few minutes. Let's get started. First, open up your browser and head to the Discord website. Log into your account if you aren't already. Once you're in, look towards the bottom left of your screen. You'll see your profile picture and username. Right next to that, there's a small gear icon. Go ahead and click on it. This will open up your user settings. Inside the user settings menu, you'll find a variety of options. Scroll down or look for the section labeled Notifications. Click on it to open the Notifications settings page. Here, Discord gives you control over what types of alerts and sounds you want to receive. Now, under the Notifications section, look for a category called Sounds. This is where all the different notification sounds are managed. Find the option labeled Unmute. This setting controls whether you hear a sound when someone unmutes their microphone in a voice channel. To enable this feature, simply toggle the switch next to Unmute, so it turns on. Once enabled, you'll hear a distinct sound every time someone unmutes, helping you stay aware of who's ready to speak or join the conversation. That's all it takes. With just a few clicks, you've now enabled unmute notification sounds on Discord web. This small tweak can make a big difference, especially if you're active in busy servers or gaming sessions where timing is everything. If you found this guide helpful, consider sharing it with friends or teammates who might also benefit from staying in the loop. Thanks for tuning in and enjoy a more connected Discord experience.